On this problem, you can use a product rule twice. So what you can do the first time is treat f times g of x as one function. So when you differentiate this, you take the derivative of the first function. So that'd be f of x times g of x. Hold the second function, so h of x, plus the derivative of the second function, hold the first function. Right? So now, using the product rule inside here and simplifying, I would have the derivative of the first function hold the second function, right? Plus the derivative of the second function hold the first function, and all that is being multiplied by this h of x. Plus, again, I could just write this like this. One thing you want to be careful, you want to distribute this to both of these terms. So I have f of x times g of x times h of x plus g prime of x times f of x plus g of x. Another way to do it is you could just make this new function, let's say p of x, and do the product rule, p prime of x times h of x plus h prime of x times p of x, and then plug it in there from there. But here's kind of the setup here. You can do the same thing to find the equation here. Instead of trying to memorize a formula, you can take the derivative of one of the functions, hold the other ones. This one would be relatively easy to expand out. You would have x squared plus 5x minus 4x minus 20. So you could write that as x squared plus 5 minus 4, which would be 1, minus 20, all times e to the 2x. Going forth, you could have x squared times e to the 2x plus x times e to the 2x minus 20 times e to the 2x. And then you can differentiate this term by term, where this is a product rule, this is a product rule, and this is a simple chain rule. There's multiple ways to look at problems like this, so there's not always one direct way. However, usually if you hit it with the hammer hard enough, you can get to the end result. Sometimes it might take you a little bit more writing, but if it makes sense, that's fine. Sometimes simplifying it, then taking the derivative is a lot easier, so keep that in mind. If you have any other questions, please let me know.